Women with clean homes are not cleaning all day. They are running a quiet psychological operation against mess. They wake up and make the bed immediately, not because it looks pretty, because an unmade bed is a gateway mess. Today it's the blanket. Tomorrow it's a chair wearing 5 outfits. They shut that down early. They never leave a room empty handed, ever. They treat walking with empty hands like a personal failure. If they're going to the kitchen, something is going with them: a cup, a sock, a random object that does not belong there. This is how clutter disappears without a dramatic weekend meltdown. They reset rooms instead of deep cleaning. Reset means return items to where they live. That's it. No scrubbing, no marathon music playlist, no emotional spiral. They don't clean messes later. They cancel messes immediately. They follow the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, they do it now. Dishes, now. Trash, now. Putting something back where it belongs, definitely now. 2 minutes is shorter than the time you spend negotiating with yourself. They clean while waiting, waiting for coffee, waiting for the microwave, waiting for the kids to find their shoes. Waiting is cleaning time. If you're standing still, you're losing. They never let clutter pile up just for today. Because today has friends. Today becomes tomorrow. Tomorrow brings cousins. Suddenly, it's a family reunion of nonsense on your counter. They do a nightly shutdown. Not a clean, a shutdown. Dishes handled, counters cleared, floors not horrifying. Morning you deserves peace, not chaos and regret. They own fewer things. This is controversial, but clean homes are not about better habits alone. They are about less stuff plotting against you. Every item must earn rent. If it doesn't serve a purpose or spark joy or at least behave itself, it's out. They don't put things down, they put things away. This one habit alone separates the tidy from the tragically cluttered. Flat surfaces are not storage units. They schedule tiny cleans, not epic ones. 10 minutes here, 5 minutes there. No Saturday lost forever to cleaning. Their house stays clean because it never gets the chance to rebel. They clean emotionally. Translation: they don't attach guilt to mess. No dramatic sighing. No, I'm a failure. Mess is just information. Information gets handled. They involve everyone. Clean home women are not solo martyrs. If you live there, you help. If you complain, you help more. They know their danger zones. Every house has one: the chair, the counter, the drawer of mystery. They patrol those areas aggressively. They do laundry on a schedule, not when they run out of socks and panic. Laundry is routine. Panic laundry is how you lose a whole day and your dignity. They clean before relaxing, not after. Relaxing in a clean space hits differently. It feels earned. It feels smug. They never leave the kitchen messy overnight. This is non-negotiable. A messy kitchen in the morning makes coffee taste worse. Science, probably. They don't chase perfection. Their house is clean, not museum quiet. People live there. They just don't let mess drive the bus. They know cleaning motivation is a lie. Habits beat motivation every time. They clean even when they don't feel like it, especially then. They make cleaning automatic. No debating, no bargaining, no later. Later is how mess wins. And here's the secret nobody likes: clean homes are built on boring consistency. It's not glamorous, it's not viral, it works. If this made you laugh, feel seen, or mildly attacked in a loving way, hit subscribe. New videos every week to help keep your home clean without losing your mind.